My name is Rahman bin Abdul Rashid. So in my video assignment, I will choose a lawnmower and I will explain the system in the lawnmower that work that include in electromagnetism topic that I have learned. So this is my lawnmower that available in my house. And in the next video, I will explain how the system work and how it synchronized with the electromagnetism topic. Hi, in this video, I will explain briefly about system that consists in the lawnmower or in the grass cutter that consists of electromagnetism topic. Um, and first and foremost, when we try to start the engine of this lawnmower, we need to pull this trigger. And when we pull this trigger, this flywheel will be rotating in a specific speed. And the most important thing, in the flywheel, it consists a permanent magnet around it, and when the flywheel is rotating in high speed, and it will pass through the ignition coil. Hence, when this flywheel rotating pass through the ignition coil, and the ignition coil will produce a voltage because of the magnetic field produced, and the voltage will be supplied to the spark plug. And this is one of the way that this system work that include in electromagnetism topic. And additional information, the advantages of this system that I have explained in this video is it doesn't depend on the external power supply such as a battery or a electric power. So if the external power supply is not available, this machine still can work properly and it can work for a longer period of time. And that's all from me. Thank you.